Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you grant access to your accountant in your FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your accountant into your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes it's better to have your bookkeeper or accountant manage your book. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add your accountant, what you're going to do is here on the left menu, you want to look for this button, Team Members. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this page, and you want to click on this green Add Team Member button. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter in your accountant's first name and last name, and then the email. Make sure you use the correct email because they will need to accept the invitation. Once you've added that in, go ahead and click on this green Add button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this team member page that gives more information about them. And what you want to do is scroll down and then look for this section, Role and Permissions. Go ahead and click on Invite. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to need to choose their role. So go ahead and click on Accountant and then scroll down a little bit more. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see the email that that person will receive, inviting them to be an accountant in your FreshBooks account. It looks like this. Now, in order for them to access, they will need to click on this link once they receive that email. If all that looks good, you go ahead and click on Send Invitation. Also, if you need to know what type of permissions this accountant's going to receive, it's going to be listed right up here on the right. So as you can see, the accountant's not going to be able to see clients, estimates, time tracking, or projects. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your accountant into your FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.